Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing my new Sambas by Adidas. I'm really not an Adidas girl, but when I seen these, I had to get, yes, I had to get. Okay, check it out. Oh my gosh, look. Look at the flap. Just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be wearing these all summer. Shoot. Wait a minute. I think I may go back and get some red ones, but we'll see how that works out. Just look. Oh my God, I love these. I love them. I tried them all already, and they are comfortable. Yes, you can wear them with your little dresses. Sambas. Check it out. You have to go get you a pair, girl. I think I'm gonna go back and get maybe go get a red pair. Yes, to go with my little Adidas dress, okay? But hey, get your pair, girl.